Good morning, you're watching Your Day Today. I'm Gargi Rao. Don't let the Monday blues get you down. Spend your morning with us as we bring you all the news you need to know. Farhanaz and Ketki will be joining me later on the show.
Welcome back. You're with Good Morning Mumbai. Well, not too many youngsters voted in last time's general elections, and youngsters like these are going to try and change that. Let me start by asking you, Kirti, what is your campaign all about?
Rotaract I Vote campaign is basically a campaign wherein we go about creating an awareness as to why people should vote and how they can vote. It's not just an awareness campaign where we leave you to the mercy of the website and we ask you to go figure out how to vote. We actually go and give you all Form 6 and we give you all step-by-step procedures as to how exactly you all can go. And we've also been in touch with the electoral registration offices, and we check we give you all addresses of the EROs as well. So we're trying to simplify it as much as we can for you all.
Interesting you mentioned EROs. You've actually faced a problem with the EROs. How did you solve that?
There was a lady who had a problem with the EROs, and I said I'll go with her and see what we can do with her. So we went, and what first thing that happened is that there is a double-sided issue, both from the side of the voter and from the side of the ERO. The voter herself, she has not completely filled the form and other procedural drawbacks. So first thing is I got her to do the procedure correctly. Once your procedure is correct and you go to the ERO, I will 100% admit that the EROs are doing some nataks. But once your procedure is correct and you go there, you can positively assert yourself, and then they are very helpful and they're taking up the forms. So that's how I went about it, and I was successful. I did not do it at any camera point or gun point. But then it went about smoothly by being correct in my procedure. We are also trying to simplify the procedure, trying to give you a very step-by-step accurate procedure, which if you follow, you're sure to get through your forms, get yourself registered. And this is available online, a step-by-step procedure, which is available online on www.allaboutvoting.org. And once you follow it, it's sure that you will get through. This is my personal experience, and I want to share it with everyone so that everyone can take advantage of this.
Well, it's not just restricted to college campuses now. You're also going to corporates, because a lot of young crowd will be found in corporate offices today. What are you all trying to tell them there?
Actually, we are just going to tell them this, that see, it's not late yet. The due dates have been pushed back so that more and more people can come out. So now we go to various corporates, we meet the HR heads, we ask them about the various the database of the company, we give them our email addresses, we forward them emails. We have also joined some SMS groups so that we can have a chat with them. That have you done it? Have you still done it? Have you submitted your forms? Have you done have you gone to the ERO? Do you want us to help you anymore? So since many of the youngsters are still in the corporates offices right now, we go to various corporates. We have been to Merrill Lynch, we have been to Mahindras and Mahindras, we have been to we have been to Mindspace. We have covered the whole area there. So we have been to various corporates, and we go to the HR manager, and he's more than delighted to help us. So he'll come to us, he'll say, okay, you guys are taking an initiative, I would love to help you guys.
That's as far as your campaign goes. But as young voters, what are the expectations you'll have from this general election, if I could start by asking you?
Well, very honestly, I would really be looking forward to candidates who are educated, who don't doze off during sessions, and also their attendance is a major criteria. If at all they've been elected, it becomes mandatory that you all attend your sessions. You all are not there to just skip your lectures. They're not college lectures that you all can just bunk. So it is mandatory that they attend, and they're well educated, and also there's been a lot of focus on getting young MPs into the parliament. But then young MPs should also take the initiative, and they should be able to raise questions and raise issues. They're not just there to sit and warm the seats.
So, Hiral, what about you? What kind of candidate or what kind of MP do you want from your constituency?
I think I want someone who is able to cater to the right mindset of people rather than just politicizing a wrong issue. This is exactly why we are coming up. We want to form by ourselves a right vote bank. The politicians are not forming it for us, so we are forming it for them. Ki bhai hum log yahan pe hai and woo us. So we want someone who can take up the right issues for us.
And what about you? Is there anything that you're looking forward to in your MP?
See, I'm the youngest person in here. I've just turned 18. I just don't want people to throw stones and their shoes and their mics or get a bag of money and show, see, I got some money, and I don't want that. I just want educated, young. I don't mind old people, but I want educated young people to represent us. We are not here to just be there as such.
Well, a lot of expectations from the young here in India, but what really we'll be looking forward to is for everyone to vote this coming general elections. But now, back to Gargi.
Well, that's it on Your Day Today. Thanks for watching. Up next, we go across to NDTV Profit for opening trade.